Hello and welcome to our channel, SMARTTHINK. In today's video, we are going to talk about web scraping and introduce you to the top 8 AI websites that you should know about. So, let's get started. What is web scraping? Web scraping is the process of automatically extracting data from websites. It involves using tools to parse and extract data from web pages, and then saving that data in a structured format. Web scraping can be useful for a variety of applications, such as data analysis, market research, and content aggregation. Top 8 AI websites now. Let's take a look at the top 8 AI websites that you should know about. OpenAI. OpenAI is a research laboratory focused on developing AI in a safe and beneficial way. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. NVIDIA AI. NVIDIA is a leading company in the field of GPUs and graphics processing, and has developed a range of AI products. MIT Technology Review. MIT Technology Review covers the latest developments in technology and science, including AI. AIethics Lab. AIethics Lab is a non-profit organization dedicated to exploring the ethical implications of AI. AI Business. AI Business covers the latest news and trends in the AI industry. DeepMind. DeepMind is a leading AI research lab acquired by Google in 2015. Machine Learning Mastery. Machine Learning Mastery provides tutorials, courses, and resources for developers looking to learn and master machine learning. Details about each website. Let's take a closer look at each website and what they offer. OpenAI conducts research on cutting-edge AI algorithms and applications, with a focus on safety and transparency. TensorFlow is a powerful and flexible machine learning framework used by researchers and developers around the world. NVIDIA AI offers a range of AI products, including GPUs, AI platforms, and software tools, to help developers build and deploy AI applications at scale. MIT Technology Review covers the latest trends and applications of AI, as well as ethical considerations and potential risks. AIethics Lab provides resources and tools for researchers, developers, and policymakers to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. AI Business covers the latest news and trends in the AI industry, including applications across different sectors and interviews with leading AI experts. DeepMind focuses on developing cutting-edge AI algorithms and applications, with a particular emphasis on reinforcement learning and deep neural networks. Machine Learning Mastery provides tutorials, courses, and resources for developers looking to learn and master machine learning, covering a range of topics from data preparation to model selection. So, that's our overview of web scraping and the top 8 AI websites you should know about. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.